guys being fairly patient at the moment, just feeling their way into this match. Probably not quite as well as he wanted to execute that, but it did the job. Again, another strange error.
Dessouky, deadly. 3 game balls. Pretty stately that.
11-7 game to Dessouky.
He will keep fighting, and we know that. All that experience from the cannonball. Oh. Oh. It's got to be careful here, Daryl.
Yeah.
Absolutely, the crowd
to pick up, aren't they?
The crowd wants something to cheer for, and Miguel's someone who can definitely give them that.
Oh! 2 drop in, sir.
Great hands.
2 drop in. Wow. I mean, that was a joke. He even got a bit of top spin.
He really enjoyed it.
Yeah, he had enough time to
10-7 match ball.
Pout at Rodriguez after that one. It's too good. That was very good.
11-9.
Very, very good.
To Dessouky, 2 games to love.
He's obviously got a lot of respect there for
Dessouky wins 11-7.
Rodriguez, Faris
11-9.
Dessouky. It was a nice acknowledgement from the younger Egyptian. 31 minutes. All credit.
Need to be on top form this evening against one of the greatest squash players ever to emerge.
I look forward to it.
Guaranteed to perform there, I think. But David Campion in the red tracking top.
That is the one place you cannot leave Adrian Waller.
4-2.
Very strong on the forehand side.
You know, he's made the front corners certainly his strongest part of the court for me. Look there, the ease of movement in and quite got the width. But
and then he has the power as well.
8-6.
So that's why he's previous world champion.
He's cracking on. 13-12. He's hit the tin.
14-12. Game
He's hit the
to
tin,
Waller.
and that has put
Waller leads.
the cat amongst the pigeons to the mark. I mean, he's got, as I say, in present game, more 5-set match wins than most players. He's let him in again.
Good work down that forehand side, backhand.
Down.
Adrian, he's missed another one.
I mean, that was an absolute sitter.
5-all.
I mean, you can't. I mean, done it again. he's
Down.
Just utilise that reverse angle and the ball down the middle.
And out.
Keeps getting in with it, to be
Yeah,
fair.
no, it's a really good shot.
Game ball.
Awkward, isn't it? Because it's coming at a slightly different angle because it's coming from a left-hander.
Down. Absolutely.
He's just hit the tin again.
11-8. Game to Momen. 1 game all.
Well, Tarek Momen survives.
Much better rally. It's a lovely lift.
Down.
Yeah, well played. It's a nice play from Momen. Really nice play.
Great combination of
5-3.
lovely lift followed by the straight drop off that back wall post. Took it in with one of his trademark soft drops. They'll just get you because they stay that little bit further up the court. Waller responding really well. Again, such a strong area for him. Tarek keeps leaving it there.
6-8.
Yeah, he's hitting it physically. Adrian Waller.
He's put together some really, really impressive rallies.
There we go. So Tarek Momen closes it out.
Match the Momen.
a very good squash from Adrian Wally. He started to get a bit tired there.
12-14.
Just to explain, when you do play someone like Momen, you are going into those front corners on a regular basis, and when you're the size of Adrian Wally, it takes a lot out of your legs.
Ibrahim played in Chicago, and a week later Victor beats him in the individual champs. Great shot.
This is an unbelievable start, appreciated by the crowd.
Wow.
Well, again, it wasn't particularly tight, but it was aggressive, and it was a bit of...
Yes, lad.
That's a good decision there.
10-7 game ball.
Well, what can you say from a coach's point of view?
11-7 game to Crouin. Crouin leads 1 game
Whenever
to
there's an
love.
opportunity, Victor Crouin.
Got up.
Starting to, after that kind of emotional outburst, he's been a bit more
5-2.
positive when he's got opportunities, Coll. That's a great shot.
Off the back foot.
5-0.
Oh, he's had a nightmare.
Wow.
He's had an absolute nightmare. He's had a shocker there.
11-7 match
But
for
Victor
Crouin. 2
Crouin
games to love. Crouin
He's
wins
played
11-7,
superbly well. When you think about the
11-7.
unforced errors he's made in that second game, certainly played some winners, and what a game from Crouin. Coll, not at the races. But you've got to convert these opportunities, and he's done it. He's done it to love. 37 minutes.
Third round of the US Open recently, and yesterday he enjoyed a successful
Well, you can hear the crowd. He's in his own turf. If it was turned, and Patrick.
Down and out.
See Rooney saying the wrong
10-7,
shot.
game
He just
ball.
left quite. Oh.
Patrick just weathering the storm.
Out. 11-9, game to Hesham. Hesham leads. 1 game to
Unlucky
love.
bounce to finish the game. What a shot.
Yeah,
That
you
is
do
not
that.
easy. When the ball is dropping like that, that is
2-4.
not an easy shot.
No. Oh, he gets very low.
Can he keep it up? That is the question.
Oh, he's got it. He did get it, Mazen.
What a lift.
Oh, he's done it. I mean, it's... What do you do? What do you do?
And out.
What do you do? Not much you can do.
No, I mean, it's a decent lob. This is a very
9-6.
good lob there, and he's just whipped it round a cute, huge serve. Oh! God!
11-9.
Of course, he's got it off the sideball. It was a decent serve. Mazen Hesham Having a nice word there, just tucking it into his body and whipping it cross court. How does he do it? He's feeling. Alan's going to have to give him a moment, I tell you, because he's feeling it a bit there. Just gathering himself. 33 minutes, but that was really tight stuff. Great second game, particularly. 2-love victory for the Black Falcon.